Andhra Pradesh in particular recognized and realized that MSME is the growth engine as far as employment generation and economic development of state concerned. So under the leadership of visionary leadership of our beloved Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu, and a man sitting in this dais, a dynamic Honorable Minister Mr. Kondapalli Srinivas garu, who is leading MSME policies. As you rightly asked that we are building up ecosystem in our state. How to make it sustainable to the existing MSMEs or how to establish new MSMEs, because Andhra Pradesh is one of the producer of technocrats every year in India, largest technocrats, engineering graduates, technocrats and other people, management graduates. Because Andhra Pradesh is a ample wealth of human resource coupled with the talent. So we are making them to, that is the reason our CM Sahab made a clarion call. That is one family, one entrepreneur by 2030. That is the game changer in Andhra Pradesh affairs as well as MSME policy concerned. That is the biggest game changer. No other state can do this. And also, no other state so far announced, that is waste and circular policy, recycling policy 4.0 was announced by the state. So we are taking all the things to establish the industries. Moreover, we are also helping the industrialist ecosystem. That is, more we are conducting the global market facility to MSME sectors and accessing to the finance and helping the new entrepreneurs by way of CGTMSC, that state CGTMSC, apart from Government of India scheme. And also this reverse buyers, how to make an export and compete in the global market. These are all initiations we are, under the leadership of our Honorable Minister as well as Chief Minister. Andhra Pradesh MSME is now became a vibrant and very, very dynamic, and it is, you might have definitely appreciate, we are having 175 consciences, and all 175 conscience MSME parks have been established. And also very land is a problem. Flatted factory complexes were also constructed and established, laid the foundation. By virtue of all these initiations, we are helping a lot, we are putting a lot of helping hands to the entrepreneurs, manufacturers, traders, and all the business community. Thank you, sir. That's all.